Assalamu alaikum, Faiez Saab. What an honor, what a privilege to be able to record this message for you. You cannot imagine, my entire body is filled with a sense of gratitude to you. And I remember when I wrote my first book, Tick Tick Dollar, you were mentioned as my inspiration. You're still mentioned in Tick Tick Dollar and in my second book, Shabash Tum Kar Sakte Ho. Reason is very simple. When I decided to enter into the professional speaking industry, I didn't have any role models. I searched harder and there were only few names, very few names actually. And उन सारे नामों के अंदर से अगर मैं आज on record बोलूँ तो you were the only name who would bring the perfect combo, the perfect ingredients to actually role model somebody who was living international standards. So I knew Tony Robbins. I was lucky enough to be able to get introduced to him. I was introduced to people like Brian Tracy and Jack Canfield. So जिस level का वो काम उस दौर में कर रहे थे, I admit and I acknowledge and I feel so proud for being one of your students. आप precisely उसी level का काम कर रहे थे. You had books and nobody ever had written a book in Pakistan on personal development. You were the first one. And I wanted to be just like you. Nobody had done large group seminars. And you were the first one, I remember, आपके large group seminars होते थे, thousands के हिसाब से उस दौर में लोग आपके seminars में आते थे. तो आपने लोगों को vision दिया, लोगों को hope दिया और सबसे बढ़ के आपने एक culture create किया where people started knowing that there are motivational speakers in the country and you can actually go and benefit from the seminars. I remember you were the first one जिन्होंने audio cassettes record किए. उस वक्त मैं डॉक्टर सदागर साहब से जाके टोनी रॉबिन्स और ब्रायन ट्रेसी का ऑडियो प्रोग्राम्स खरीदा करता था. And I bought one of yours as well. And I remember your communication, your style, your energy, your enthusiasm, and more important, the content actually was world class. So I got so much inspired. मैं book stores पे जाता था. I would see your books, खूबसूरत racks, and बड़े सलीके के साथ लगी होती थी. Branding and positioning, ये सब चीज़ें आप पे ख़त्म थी. And this is like some 20 years back when I first got introduced to you. And ever since, you continue to inspire, you continue to impress us with your mashallah achievements. Your contribution to the training industry is phenomenal. I think मेरे समेत पूरी एक generation है motivational speakers की, trainers की, जिनको आपने inspire किया है. And you're a great coach, you're a great consultant, you're a great mentor, you're a great author, best-selling author actually. And I extend my congratulations on your 30th work anniversary. I think this is the way to enter into the 30th year of your work anniversary. I miss being here with each one of these superstar trainers around you. I've had some prior commitments, otherwise जिस मोहब्बत के साथ आपने मुझे invite किया, those 15 minutes of my conversation over the phone with you, those 50 minutes are still one of the finest, one of the most heartening 15 minutes of my life. आपके लहजे में मेरे लिए जो मोहब्बत थी, जिस kindness के साथ you spoke to me, I think you're setting new standards for anyone who would like to join the training industry. Because the training industry, हम जो speakers हैं, motivational बातें करते हैं, I think it is so difficult to live those messages yourself. So you constantly inspire me, you continue to encourage me, and you will continue to be part of my books. I wish all the best. और मेरी दुआ है कि आप अपनी 100 वर्क एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करें. अल्लाह ताला आपको सेहत दे, सलामती दे, आपको बेइंतहा और कामयाबियाँ दे, और सबसे बढ़ के आप जिस मिशन पे हैं आपको उस मिशन को पूरा करने की तौफीक दे. विश ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कीप इंस्पायरिंग.